Chỉ có chưa có gồm một cặp thôi chưa?
Huh? You're more America. I trust you. It's okay.
Championship like that, that's not bad. Good.
Yo, shit, I don't know, we taking You're Ricky's person, right? What's up, y'all? Right? Ricky, is that your manager?
No, actually my manager is actually
oh, okay, but Ricky though, that's
Ricky
oh, really? Oh, okay. Oh, well, I'm a big fan, man. Good. And I do video podcast.
Day before, okay, just to make sure that I'm coming. Okay. Yeah.
We really want to do.
Yeah, right now is the chance of mom coming is high.
Nice.
You know, but then you know, things could happen, so I want to, you know, call you like maybe 2 days ahead. Yeah.
I'll make sure that you're on guest list.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, all right. I look forward to that. Yeah, yeah. So, you know, I know you guys travel a long way, so I want to, you know, help promote you guys here too, you know. So, being that I'm going to try my best to be there. Yeah.
He's fighting for the WBA title, which will put him in the top 5 in the world.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so this is really, really, really major for him.
Yeah.
Toyota, companies, USA Bank, all the big companies are coming to see him and see all his things. So it will be a big moment.
Yeah. I'll try my very best. I'll drag Uncle Duarn Vue along.
Yes.
Uncle Duarn Vue is his uncle.
Yeah. Yes, I told him, why don't you call me? Because I stay here, I organize it for the whole week and many people to come to join my nephew.
Yeah, we tried and I think we lost your number.
Oh.
That's what it was.
Yeah. So we're on our way to Brooklyn Park. So I said, okay, since you're still here, I thought you were gonna come back to Hmong Village, so I brought that little token here, you know, and I signed my name and then this little token, nice. Bruce Lee.
Let me take a picture. You give it to me.
All right. So here, why don't we do a little video? Can you do some video for us, or you will send that out? Yeah. You want to do video?
Yeah, this video already.
Okay, let's turn around here so the sun. It's good to be
this is a give don't loss.
I won't lose it.
Okay.
After video, I will take some picture too.
Coach Ali, you want to be in the back too?
Yes,
maybe one of you can shoot my video.
Yeah.
That's all. That's all you get. Yeah. Okay, hello everybody. This is Steak Senator from her again, and I'm with Duarn Vue here, our champ. All right, Duarn, welcome to St. Paul. And I will be bilingual. nếuวันที่ April วันที่1個月啦，當然是收一個Ashka，即係古來用幫忙下，有咩有個那字幕適合啦，俾幫忙西邊就都忙論字啦，然後論字個còn tàu của một chỉnh đó, bên một trong bảo chàng thì nó luôn chỉ một chùm mỏng lên đó là sẽ tốt lên nó này cũng mỗi khóc khổng xi nó nè, ai cũng khởi chân rồi cũng trên lên thế rồi nè, Bruce Lee cũng sau cũng autograph được nó, rồi cũng một tròn tròn ha, nên Duarn của sẽ để dùng chỉnh bảo lên bom bảy ha, của một số like chỉnh lên là like Ali said. You float like a butterfly and sting like a bee, all right? and swim like a dragon, all right? How about that? So good luck for you, and I'll be there April 28th. And thank you, Coach Ali and Muhammad. Thank you for being here in St. Paul. You know, wish I had more time being with you guys, but I'm hopping around weekend, so weekend I hop around from community to community. But so nice to see you here, and best of luck. And I'll try my very best to be there April 28th. You know, to witness the champ. You know, so. Here's how I know there's a lot of Hmong fighter out there with the MMA, boxing, kickboxing, but Duarn is the nearest champ, Minnesota, Wisconsin, or the shoulder of the Hmong livelihood. So, Duarn, again, give us the Hmong punch, all right, and victory for you. All right.
Thank you.
So take care.
Thank you, Senator.
For sure, see you in April.
And Uncle, what? 我係咩都做來做俾老闆都借來，佢有喺度鬧到專門係咪嫁做老師係來討乜住，又上下人咁樣正參加咩個咩木學英 ，you know may the divine you know also grant you the spirit and the energy to win both of you and the fight on April 28th. So thank you for, and also bring one of my elder here, Uncle Duarn Vue, which is also uncle to Duarn, to say a few traditional Hmong blessings to both of you. Yeah.
我做得多啦，你要做有么好，我识得给识到了咯。我要搞一度那要天呢，我收工冇做，你要做个我做下个冇样天，我放工冇做呢，肯定我得去了跑，到这里去啥，no April 的，no 说 April 的，现在在本港个小写的没写的天。 叫ตัวคนจะเจ๋งๆแบบมองคอมมิชชั่นที่เราตัวเนี้ยเป็นตัวเชียร์ยิ่งมันเทรนกับโซ่เนี้ยก็อย่าอวดวิจารณ์ตัวเป้หายเนี่ยมองเที่ยงทำมีกันเยอะหน่อยโอเค yeah good luck for you
and thank you too Mr. Moore for bring him over and when you show. Yeah.
I give you my phone number for you.
Yes, sir.
Next time, no excuse.
No excuse. No excuse.
Because I told you, organizer here, if I'm here, let me know.
I'll text you my phone too. I know. I tried to have Thomas coordinate, but he's very busy.
He's
now.
busy.
So,
yes.
But you could just call me directly or text me. We'll be in support. Yeah.
We really appreciate it.
Okay. All right. Okay. We'll have a nice trip back. Yeah.
Thank you, Senator.
Okay.
Thank you, Uncle Joe.
The Senator have a speech.
Okay.
Okay.